Do we hear anything back from
Nothing back.
Ms. Henderson? I know that you've been here for a little bit. We're just trying to figure out if there's been communication from Mr. Bailey or his attorney, because neither one of them are here right now.
Bailey's here, but the attorney isn't.
Oh, okay, so he's here.
Anderson.
Then, okay. Do you have the attorney's phone number, Allie? Can you give me my phone, please? Oh, no, this is Judge DeSanto. I'm wondering where Mr. Anderson is. This was scheduled for 9:15. It is 10:37. Okay, well, I have had a victim sitting in this courtroom since before 9:15 a.m. and it's not acceptable for Mr. Anderson to not be here an hour and 15 minutes, an hour and 27 minutes after the time that he was scheduled to represent his client in sentencing. So Mr. Anderson needs to be here ASAP or he will be held in contempt. Thank you.
Sir, please unmute and tell me your name.
My name is Attorney James Anderson. I represent Braxton Bailey.
Yes, Mr. Anderson, you were supposed to be here in person at 9:15.
I understand, Your Honor. I had first matters starting at 8:30 in the circuit court. I'm here in the circuit court now. Since it's so late, I wanted to zoom in first to find out whether or not you still want me in person.
Well, counsel, first of all, I need you to turn on your camera. That's the first thing. I've requested 3 times for you to turn on your camera. And second of all, counsel, we've had a victim here since 9 o'clock this morning. You did not communicate to this court that you were going to be late after 9:15. We've had a victim sitting here now, counsel, for almost 2 hours. And your client's also been here. Was there any communication with your client as well?
Yes, this morning, but not early in the morning, Your Honor. As I said before, I started matters in circuit court at 8:30. I apologize to the court.
Counsel, pause just one moment. I can appreciate, do you have multiple courts you need to be in? When did you have notice that you needed to be in circuit court at 8:30 a.m.?
A few days ago.
Right.
I knew.
That's my point. You did not communicate with this court, nor anybody else that you were going to be late, nor did you request a different time so that people weren't sitting here waiting. And now you're still in circuit court and you're not even making your way here yet, counsel. Have you completed your matters in circuit court?
I've completed my matters in circuit court. If you want me there, I'll be on my way immediately.
Absolutely, counsel. This was scheduled in person at 9:15. Of course I want you here.
I'll be on my way then, Your Honor.
All right, let's go on the record in the matter of the state of Michigan versus Braxton Bailey. Is Ms. Henderson still present?
Unfortunately, with Mr. Bailey's attorney being late, she had other engagements she had to go to.
All right, I was unaware that she had to leave.
Yeah, she's been here approximately 3 hours.
All right, yes, I'm very much aware of that, sir. Thank you. All right, counsel, your appearance, please.
James Anderson, appearing on behalf of Braxton Bailey, Your Honor.
Mr. Bailey, your name for the record, please.
Braxton Bailey.
Okay, and so counsel, I addressed this slightly when you zoomed in, but this matter was scheduled for 9:15. We had a victim that's been here since 9 o'clock on a very violent case. And there was zero communication with this court. At some point, you realized that there was a time conflict, correct?
At some point I did, Your Honor. Unfortunately, it did not work out the way that I planned. I understand, and I apologize for not contacting the court to let the court know that I was being detained and held back.
Okay. Well, counsel, clearly, if you had an 8:30 circuit court matter and a 9:15 matter here, you were never going to be here at 9:15. There was not even a possibility of that even happening. You did not even contact into the court. Zero regard for the court time, zero regard for the victim time, and zero regard for your client's time. And even after you were here, after 9:15, you didn't even contact the court until this court contacted your office multiple times. Only then did you contact into the court.
Your Honor, oftentimes in the circuit court, I've appeared on matters at 8:30 and they've been finished in enough time for me to arrive here in court on time. Unfortunately, it did not work out this morning. Again, I apologize for not letting the court know.
All right, well, and the court can understand that, counsel, and the court can understand the demands on an attorney's schedule in multiple courts, but the court cannot understand the lack of communication. So the court's going to order a $100 sanction, counsel,